Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, get it walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, get it walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, girl, I'm the first that got woo. They don't buy me, you know who they do. Fix my shit, what's good? Step it out, yo.
Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another hair tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these FAUX locks. Guys, making your hair by yourself is indeed a hassle. So I started making this hair with a 1 week old twist I did, mini twist I did. So that's what I started making this hair with. So I just had to use the sections I used on that 1 week old mini twist to start this hair. And in making this hair I used KINKY, then I used my crochet hook. So that is all I used for this video. So here now I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do it. All I did was to use my crochet hook and insert the extension hair into the 2-strand mini twist I did, and then after that I take another hair and use it to wrap the one I inserted into the mini twist, and that is all I do. So when I finish, at the end of the day, I just wrap it till the end, and then I just twirl it and rub it in between my two pans, and that is all I did for this video. So I hope this video is insightful. You can learn how to make this twist, these FAUX locks, through this video. So stay tuned, go nowhere, subscribe, leave me a constructive comment, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me.
So far, my hair extension got finished yesterday. I went out to get a new pack this morning. This is how far I've gone.